Hi, Walter. I'm hoping you'll respond to my email so that we can have a quick phone call. I am going out of town this evening for the 4th of July holiday. So, in case we don't get a chance to talk on the phone, I'm making you this video just to hopefully address the questions that you have. The first question that you had that I will address is about the textbook. In the course information module, there is an external link to the textbook. You mentioned in your email that you didn't get a code from the bookstore. Unfortunately, that's not something that I can troubleshoot for you. I would suggest you contact the bookstore on Monday, either by giving them a phone call or by sending them an email. Once you get that code and set up your shelf, you can click on this link. This is an external link, and you can either access your book right here through D2L, or you can go directly to the website and do it. But until you put the code in, you're not going to be able to access the ebook in any way, especially on D2L. So that is the first question. I hope that addresses it. Now, the second question that you had pertained to the lecture. So you mentioned in your email that you know how to access the content on D2L, which is fantastic. I'm going to click on the week one module and show you where the lectures live. In every weekly module, the third tab in the module will be the lecture and supplemental materials. You can click right on that tab, and if you open it up, you'll find the film grammar sheet. You should have this in open in front of you when you do the reading and when you engage with the lectures. It's going to have all the names and terms that you need to successfully complete the assignments. And then you'll get two different versions of the lecture. You'll get it in PDF format. You just have to click on this link to open it. And you'll also get it in video format. This is where you conduct the class. In week one, we have two lectures, photography one and photography two. You're going to engage with both lectures, but then you're going to choose one of the films to watch. You're either going to choose Sunset Boulevard, which is associated with photography one, or you're going to choose Rabbit Proof Fence, which is associated with photography too. You don't have to travel to the bookstore or the library at OCC to access these films. I have them linked in a couple of places. I have them linked in the announcement for the week and also in the learning guide. So you'll see right here, it says assigned films. Students will choose one film to watch. All you have to do is click on the link and it's going to open it in a new window, and you can stream the movie directly through the OCC library. All you have to do is log in with your credentials, and then it'll open it right up. I clicked on the link for Sunset Boulevard, and you can watch it right there. It's going to click back to the content tab, go back in to that week one module. After you've done the lecture, the support materials tab is where all of the instructions for the weekly assignments live. Some external links to help you with the assignments of the week. I think you mentioned that you watched that instructional video for the discussion board topic, for the response paper, and all of the instructions for the paper. When you're ready to complete the assignments, you can access them directly from the assignments tab. So remember, you're either going to be watching Sunset Boulevard or Rabbit Proof Fence. And then when you're ready, there is a discussion board topic and there is a response paper for whichever film you choose to watch. I hope that this helps to address your questions. I find that email, for me at least, when it's a written exchange of information, unfortunately often leads to more confusion. I hope that this has answered your questions in a really concise way. And I'm always open, if I'm not going out of town for the holiday like I am today, to jump into a Zoom or to even have a phone call. I'm more than happy to call you and discuss this with you. Thanks so much. And I hope you have a safe and happy 4th of July.